If you want to turn off two-factor authentication on your Apple ID, follow these steps carefully. Keep in mind that disabling this feature may reduce the security of your account. Step 1. Sign into your Apple ID account page. Go to the Apple ID account page at apple.apple.com. Enter your Apple ID and password to log in. Step 2. Access security settings. Once logged in, look for the security section on your account page. This is where you can manage your two-factor authentication settings. Step 3. Disable two-factor authentication. In the security section, you should see an option for two-factor authentication. Click on Edit and then look for the option to turn it off. Follow the prompts to confirm your decision. Step 4. Answer security questions. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Confirm changes. After successfully disabling two-factor authentication, you will receive a confirmation message. Review your account settings to ensure everything is as you want it. Remember that turning off two-factor authentication can make your account less secure, so consider the implications before making this change.